Welcome! In front of me I have Realme Watch 3 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on the watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on the watch, your watch needs to be paired with an iPhone via the Realme Link application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the Realme Link application to send the notifications to our watch. So let's open the settings on our iPhone. So let's tap on the settings icon. In settings, let's scroll down to the list of applications and find the Realme Link application on that list. Right here. Tap on it. And here make sure that the Bluetooth option is enabled. Also, you can tap on notifications and tap or allow the notifications by tapping the switch. Basically flick it on. Once you flick it on, you can go back to the main page of settings, scroll all the way up and find the Bluetooth option. Then tap on it to enter the Bluetooth settings, and here you should see the list of my devices. And on it, you should have two Realme Watch 3 devices. Now tap on next to the one of them, on the info icon next to the one of them to open the menu. And this is not the page we're looking for. This one, if you see the page like this, you can go back and tap on the different device named the same way, basically. And you should see something like this. We're looking for this option, system notifications, and make sure that share system notifications is enabled. Once it is, you can close the settings. Basically, look for one of these devices. One of them should have this option. Okay, once you enable share system notifications, you can close the settings, and now we can open the Realme Link application on our iPhone that is paired with our watch. Then we can tap on Realme Watch 3 right here on the main page to open the device page for our watch. And here on this page we have the notifications. Tap on it. Here we can enable or disable the notifications as the whole thing, and we can also enable or disable the notifications for specific apps, basically by tapping on the switch next to the app to flick it or flick it off. So enable the notifications for the apps you want. Also, if you don't see the application you want to enable the notifications for on this list, so basically you don't have the application you like on this list, you can scroll down and enable the option other social media apps. So if you enable this option, it will basically enable notifications for other applications. And then you can close the app. Oh no, we can go back also and check. No, that's all basically, yeah. So once you're done customizing your notification settings, you can close the application, and at this point you should be able to receive them. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. As you can see, we got the message on our iPhone, and if we wake up the screen on our watch, we also got it, but it disappeared. So if I swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the notification menu, here we have it, and we can tap on it to read it, I believe. Oh, we can't. We can only delete it by tapping on the pen icon for some reason. Okay, and once you're done, you can press the side button to go back to watch face if you want. And that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.